Hi friends, using WordPress you can really create amazing website. Even e-commerce website, business website can be created easily using WordPress CMS. And you need a wonderful theme for your WordPress website. So this video is not about theme. If you are an owner of a WordPress website or planning to have a WordPress website, you might be concerned about security of that website. So this video is about security of your website and how you can secure your website in just 5 minutes. So you might have seen the CAPTCHA, reCAPTCHA being widely used at website for protecting the spam. So we are focusing in this video to protect our website from spam and phishing attacks. Generally we have seen the spammers log into your form or put some spam comments, or even bots gets easy registration at your website if you are not using the spam protection tool. I'll show you what is the spam protection tool. I'll show you an example website. First of all, this is an example website login form and it is simply using the reCAPTCHA. It is being widely used, as I said, and it is a very good method, very good way to protect your website from spam, and it naturally it protects from unauthorized registration and unauthorized access to your website forms. And if we go further in this website, we can go, this is just an example website, and I'll show you the rest of things, like where the reCAPTCHA is being used at this website. And if we talk about the comments, here it is. So reCAPTCHA is here, so the bots or the unwanted users cannot put any comment at this website until the human check. And if we talk about the WooCommerce portion of this website, okay, so let us go to the cart directly. Okay, so I'll add new product in the WooCommerce. Through this example website, I am actually willing to show you where the reCAPTCHA is being used at this website, or even other websites might be using at same places. So I'm adding this product to cart, like, and login form you have already seen. I can proceed to the checkout. This is the WooCommerce website, that is e-commerce website, and here you can see the reCAPTCHA is being used, and without solving this reCAPTCHA, the user or the bot cannot complete this form or complete this purchase. So it is very important spam protection tool. Okay, for enabling the reCAPTCHA option, this website uses a add-on plugin called reCAPTCHA for WooCommerce. It is available at WooCommerce store for $29. So of course, if you want to implement the reCAPTCHA, you need to spend the $29 at very first instance, and even you need Google account, and you need to generate the API keys through the Google account that you need to use at this plugin and the backend of this plugin for configuring the reCAPTCHA for WooCommerce. So it is named as WooCommerce, but it works for complete website. So there is a separate video available on this plugin, how you can configure the reCAPTCHA at your WordPress website. So you can watch that video as well. I'll try to put the link and okay, so without having this add-on plugin or any other similar plugin, you cannot implement the reCAPTCHA at your WordPress website. So it is not an inherent feature of WordPress itself, so you need to add up through it plugin. But I'll show you the backend as well. But in this video I am talking about how you can use a very effective CAPTCHA bot protection tool as an alternate of this reCAPTCHA. So the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you an alternate of reCAPTCHA, and this alternate would be the Cloudflare Turnstile. Simply Google on Cloudflare Turnstile for WordPress and you will get this result. It is saying Cloudflare SSL TLS secure your website in 5 minutes. Okay, let us click on it, and once we go here, so it is showing easy to use performance and security tools your website needs. Okay, so this is a Cloudflare registration page, of course, or the landing page you can say, and we need to add Turnstile part of this Cloudflare. So of course your website needs Cloudflare DNS for using this feature, and I'll find the Cloudflare Turnstile. Okay, so coming back to here, we are focusing on this. We are going to use this simple Cloudflare Turnstile for enabling the reCAPTCHA option. I mean replacing the reCAPTCHA. So this is something like we are targeting. This is enabling the form, enabling the spam protection check at your every form. So it is by Cloudflare, I believe, and you can easily add Cloudflare Turnstile to all your WordPress website forms to protect them from spam. And you can use the Turnstile at login form, registration form, password reset form, comments form, checkout, pay, or so on WooCommerce form builders and default login. So even other integration like Elementor Pro and MailChimp for WooCommerce and all can be done using this plugin. It is absolutely free, so it is not going to paid at any instance, as the reCAPTCHA may be paid at some instance, because when you are having heavy traffic at your website you need to pay for reCAPTCHA, but and even you need to get this plugin if you are using a reCAPTCHA. But we are talking about a free solution for the reCAPTCHA, and not exactly reCAPTCHA, it is for a spam protection tool. Okay, so if we can install this simple Cloudflare Turnstile, it will solve our purpose of using reCAPTCHA. So I'm going to replace this through the Turnstile. So let us go to the backend of this website. This is the backend of the website, and as I can show you, the reCAPTCHA for WooCommerce is being used. This is the plugin and that has been used for enabling the reCAPTCHA option, that is by 13 Web Solution. As I said, you can watch another video on this. So I'm simply deactivating this plugin and we are going to install the Cloudflare Turnstile, this plugin. So I have already downloaded it and you can also download it from here. And okay, so this website uses Rehab WordPress theme. I must tell you, you might be asking, thinking which theme is being used on this website. So okay, so I have already disabled this reCAPTCHA for WooCommerce, and now I'm going to add new plugin that I have already downloaded for simple Cloudflare Turnstile, and I'm uploading the plugin, choose file, and here this is the plugin, and we can simply install now. So it is very simple to use, but yes, it is really an effective method to enable the reCAPTCHA checks. Okay, so I have already used it earlier, so it is showing the site key and all. Just in case if you don't have the site key, you can open this link and it will take you to the Cloudflare login, and you can simply get the keys there. I'll show you the screen as well. This is the screen where you are going to land when you will click on the link, and it is already logged in, and you have to add your domain that for which you want to enable the reCAPTCHA, and you have again 3 options like manage, non-interactive, and invisible, and the key can be generated simply here. So just copy the key and we can go to the key and simply paste the keys. And so I have already generated the key, so I'm simply pasting this. And now there are certain settings. I will show you the setting. Let us first save it. I'll describe these setting as well, so don't worry. Let us first, okay, so once you save the keys, this screen will come and you can test the API responses first of all. And yes, so it is simply showing success, turnstile seems to be working correctly with your API keys. Okay, so we can now open the website and we can check whether it is working. So this is the website again. Okay, so let us go to the any product. I'll show you everywhere where it has been used. And if we talk about the, yes, so it is here. So turnstile is working well here, so it is implemented. And now I can show you the WooCommerce part. This is WooCommerce part, and yes, let us proceed to checkout. Okay, so in the checkout we have this turnstile. It is already configured. I mean, it is already visible, so it is working fine. It hardly takes 5 minutes to do all this activity, and the spam protection tool will be enabled to your website. It is really a great tool, of course, and gets enabled in no time, in fact. So it is wonderful, and we have successfully implemented the reCAPTCHA here, and I believe this video remained helpful for you in enabling the reCAPTCHA option at your website. Not exactly reCAPTCHA, I'm sorry, I'm taking this name, and it is actually Cloudflare Turnstile. And finally we can check this login form. It is also working fine here. So the Cloudflare Turnstile is now has been successfully enabled for this website, and now it is protecting from spam. So I believe you are going to use this, and this is a free solution as an alternate for reCAPTCHA. Okay, so let us meet in our another video. I'm going to bring another important WordPress resource for you. Keep watching, keep building, and if you are not a subscriber, you may please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.